All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. Well, I'm out front, kind of checking out, see if there's any damage from yesterday. You know, yesterday we had the hottest day of the year with a heat index of 108. But I tell you what, in the afternoon, a storm pushed through and the wind got really wild around here, and it cooled down. I bet you the temperature dropped 20, 30 degrees, and it was really nice. But man, that wind was blowing. So I was out checking, got some of the dead limbs up out of the yard that had blown out, and I went around back taking a check see to see if things are where they should be, and there was a lot of stuff that got blown over, and but for the most part everything looked pretty good. All right, you know, with this heat wave that's come through, the wife and I, we've not been going to the car shows. It's just too hot. I mean, it's just not enjoyable when you got to get out there and put your canopy up and there's no breeze and it's hot and humid. That's just getting a little bit too much. So we're hoping to get back out here for too long when this heat wave breaks. I'm over here on my computer, been checking out Dylan's website over here at NYS Modeling, and he posted 10 days ago the 2024 Pro Street Group build. So I think I'm going to get in on that one. I've already got something that I had been working on just a little bit. Did a little body work. I haven't said anything about it, but I was gonna post a video. Then I saw this Pro Street Group build come up that Dylan was putting on, so I asked him if this would fly, and he said it'll go. So this is what I'm going with. This is my official entry into the Dylan's Pro Street Group build. Yeah, this is the old 41 Willys. The old reveal kit. I think it's the 1963 kit. And I've been working a little bit on the body, not a whole lot. That's about all I got done. You can see I've just got some of the parts pulled out here, and there's the rest of the parts, and I'll tell you about that blown engine there here in a minute. But one thing I did do with this, if y'all know, you're familiar with this kit, it has that funky hinge up there right in the middle, and I tell you what, that just looks so bad to me. I had to pull that out of there, so I'm still working on that. But I filled it all in, and I think it looks much better this way without that funny looking hinge up there. But anyway, this is my entry into the Pro Street Group build. Now, I will not be building this as the box art, as the Stone Woods and Cookie 41 Willys was. I'm going to go a different route, and I've got this. This is the Aldrin V8. It comes from Texas 3D Customs. I'll tell you what, his stuff is really detailed. It looks really good. I had it a little mocked up here because I was trying to shove it into that 36 Ford Coupe I'm building, and it was just a little on the big side. But you know what? Shoving it down in here, I had to get a bigger shoehorn to get it down in here, but I think it looks pretty cool down inside this old Willy. So man, I'll tell you what, this kit, it's rough. It is rough, fellas. I'm not used to working on these old rough kits, but man, I tell you, it's just rough, but it's got a lot of nice detail to it. But it's got the opening trunk, which I'm gonna make operational. It's got the opening doors, which I've already looked at a bunch of pictures from guys that have built this, and the doors don't seem to fit the best. I think they're better than that 51 Henry J that I built, but we'll see. You know, you can always display these with the doors propped open so you don't see the manufacturer's poor quality. But anyway, this is a nice body. The bad thing about this, let me get my swizzle stick here for my pointer. These body lines back here, man, this went all the way back down here. So you got to kind of imagine where would that body line stop. So that's where I stopped it there. I had some holes, big sunken holes up here on the top, and I don't know what that was from. I had to fill those in. The hood fits fairly well. I'm surprised. But there was a lot, man, I tell you what, there was a lot of flash, a lot of cleanup to be done on this. You know, guys, come on, that's what we expect on these anyway. But I don't like it when your part is on the tree, and when you cut it off, part of the tree is embedded in your part. That just makes for a bad day, you know, bad day in bedrock. But guys, anyway, I just want to come on and announce this is my official entry into Dylan's Pro Street Group build. I think this starts July 1st, and I'm not sure. I think it's only going on for a couple months. I'm hoping I can get it done. I don't know. I'm still working on that 36, trying to drag it across the finish line. So whether I get it done on time is yet to be seen. But I just wanted to let everybody know this is my entry into the Pro Street Group build, because he said the gassers were good to go. So I'm digging it. All right, I'm done.